Fifth sum, find the differential equation of family of parabolas at 0, -1 and having the axis along y-axis. So in previous sum, in fourth sum we have saw two arbitrary constants h and k. There is also 4a also present here, but a is given in the equation itself, in question itself. So a is not be an arbitrary constant. H and k one is the arbitrary constant in previous sum. Now see, find the differential equation of family of parabolas at vertex 0, -1. So I am going to draw the diagram. This will be x, y, x dash and y dash. This will be -1, 0, -1. This is the vertex. Vertex 0, -1. Parallel to y axis. Parallel to and having axis along y axis and having axis along y axis. So we can draw a diagram in downward also, we can draw a diagram in upward also. So upward and downward only the minus differs. So by given data, the parabola is open upward, So we will take the parabola and open upward. So what is the parabola form is nothing but x square, x minus h the whole square is equal to 4a into y minus k. Here h comma k. H comma k is nothing but vertex, nothing but 0, -1. We are going to apply 0, becomes x square is equal to 4a into y plus 1. So keep it as equation 1. Since where a is arbitrary constant, because a is the only constant here. So in previous sum we have not choose a, sir, because here 4a is given in the question, so we can't able to choose. Here a is not given in the question, so we can take a as an arbitrary constant. We need different only once. So differentiate of x square is nothing but 2x. 2x, x differentiate is 1. 4a is constant. Differentiate of y is y dash. Differentiate of 1 is 0. So we don't need to write. So we can make a cancellation. So x is equal to 2a y dash. X is equal to 2a y dash. What I need to neglect? I need to neglect a. So x divided by 2y dash is equal to a. X 2y dash come down is equal to a. Keep this equation 2. Apply 2 in 1. So apply x square, right, as it is. X square is equal to 4. What is a here? X divided by 2y dash. Y plus 1. Both we can cancel 2 times. X square is equal to 2x y dash into y plus 1. So let y dash move here. So x square y dash multiply with this 2xy plus 2x. 2xy plus 2x. Let all come this side. So x square y dash minus 2xy minus 2x is 0. We can divide x since x is common, no. So x y dash minus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0 is the required equation. This is the fifth sum. So sixth sum, find differential equation of the ellipse having 4k on the y-axis. Having 4k on the y-axis and center at the origin. So solution. So this will be the diagram. 4k on the y-axis. So major axis along y-axis. By given data, major axis along y-axis. Therefore, the equation will be the form of x square divided by b square plus y square by a square is equal to 1, where b is greater than a, where a is greater than b, a is greatest one. Not only this, a and b are arbitrary constant. A and b are arbitrary constant. Keep it as x, y, x dash and y dash. A and b are arbitrary constant. We need to differentiate twice. This sum, if you are going to see, they given in the determinant method. But I am not going to use any determinant method. I am going to solve a direct method. Before solving the direct method, I am going to cross multiply. A square into x square is a square x square, cross multiply. B square y square divided by a square equal to a square, a square b square equal to 1. Let a square b square move this side, which becomes a square x square plus b square y square is equal to a square b square. Now starts to differentiate. So differentiate a square is constant, differentiate of x square is 2x, so write a square as it is. B square is constant, so keep it b square. Y square differentiate is 2y, I differentiate only y square, y differentiate is y dash. A square b square is constant, so I can put it 0. So totally divide by 2, then what will becomes x a square plus y b square y dash is equal to 0. Let this one moves this side, so what becomes x a square minus of b square y dash. Let x stay here, y dash come this side, y dash come this side, minus b square by a square. So we are neglecting a square and b square on one side, minus b square by a square, because differential becomes 0, no? So, but how I am going to differentiate? This is nothing but u v. Once the differentiate is over, I am going to differentiate second time, u by v. What is the formula I can use? D by dx, u by v is nothing but v u dash minus u v dash by v square, where here u is nothing but x, v is nothing but y dash. Listen carefully, this differentiate is very very toughest one, so listen carefully. First you write differentiate of, first you write v. What is v? Y dash, u dash, x u dash is nothing but 1, x differentiate is 1 minus u, right, u x, v dash, we need to differentiate v dash, we differentiate once again uv. This is u, this is v. What is uv formula? First you write u v dash plus v u dash. First you write u is x, v dash already differentiate once, so once again differentiate y double dash, y dash different y double dash plus v y dash, differentiate y differentiate y dash is equal to, this differentiate is 0, so y dash minus multiply inside x y double dash multiply inside minus x y dash become y dash square is equal to 0, y dash square is equal to 0. Now check the answer, y, but back answer, this 2 becomes plus, this will become minus, so multiply by minus, which gives, this becomes plus, no, x y double dash plus x y dash square minus y dash equals 0 is the required equation. This is the easiest way to find the differential using this method. There is another method, nothing but determinant method. We don't need to use determinant method because somewhat lack the sum. So leave it as it is.